Hello friends, welcome to Avian Decor Design. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you will keep getting notifications for the next video.
House with multiple levels has stairs for comfort and convenience moving up and down. Stair railing comes in different forms, styles, designs, and themes. The railing serves as a barrier that protects you from falls and other untoward accidents. A stair railing is a must for every house or establishment that has stairs. With many designs and styles to choose from, it is an added preventive structure and can also significantly improve the aesthetic feel of the house. In fact, excellent systems can improve the resale value of the home. Installing a railing on stairs in a house is important for several reasons. Safety: stairs without a railing can be dangerous, especially for young children, elderly individuals, and individuals with disabilities. A railing provides support and stability while ascending or descending stairs, reducing the risk of accidents. There are several material options available for stair railing. Some of the most popular ones include metal. Metal stair railings are popular for their durability and strength. They are available in a range of materials such as wrought iron, aluminum, and stainless steel. Metal railings can be customized to fit any design aesthetic, and they require minimal maintenance. Glass stair railings are a modern and elegant option that can add a sleek and sophisticated look to your home. They can be combined with other materials such as metal or wood to create a unique and personalized look. Wood is a classic and versatile option for stair railing. It is available in a variety of species, finishes, and styles to match the decor of your home. However, wood requires regular maintenance and may not be as durable as some other materials. Cable stair railings are a popular option for modern and minimalist homes. They are made of stainless steel cables and can be combined with wood or metal posts to create a sleek and contemporary look. What to keep in mind when choosing materials? When choosing materials for stair railing, there are several factors to consider. Durability: stair railings must be able to withstand daily wear and tear, so you'll want to choose a material that is strong and long-lasting. Maintenance: some materials require more maintenance than others. Consider how much time and effort you're willing to put into upkeep. Style: your stair railing should complement the overall style of your home. Consider the design and materials used for other features in your home, such as flooring and cabinetry. Safety: stair railings are an important safety feature, so make sure the material you choose is sturdy and secure. Cost: the cost of materials can vary widely, so you'll want to choose a material that fits your budget while also meeting your other requirements. How to avoid railing installation mistakes? Avoiding stair railing installation mistakes is important to ensure that the railing is safe and secure. Here are some tips to avoid mistakes. Choose the right material. Choose a material that is durable and fits the style of the home. Use the right tools. Using the right tools can make the installation process easier and more efficient. Regular maintenance: once installed, make sure to regularly inspect and maintain the railing to ensure it remains secure and safe. Ask about warranties and guarantees. Ask the contractor about any warranties or guarantees they offer for their work and the materials they use. What is the best railing for stairs? The best railing for stairs depends on various factors such as the style of your home, your personal preference, the safety requirements, and your budget. Some popular materials for stair railing include wood, metal, glass, and cable. Wood is a classic and traditional option, while metal can give a more modern and contemporary look. Glass and cable railing can offer a minimalist and sleek appearance. Ultimately, it's essential to choose a railing that complements the style of your home and meets the necessary safety requirements. Consulting with a professional contractor or designer can help you make the best decision for your specific needs.